What is the right way to manage huge IT development projects? Maybe in the style of the 1980s? Or based on rigid management control? Or maybe you bet on agility? In the good old days, when software engineers were called pioneers, the pendulum of control swung towards the team. Software development was considered sort of an art. Admittedly, many people call this period of time the software crisis. The quality of software did not match the expectations. In the following decades, rigid methodologies and governance processes regained control for the management. The era was characterized, for example, by case tools, enterprise data models, and many other restrictive things. But employees rebelled against the tight shackles of rigid processes, and software quality still fell short of expectations. Today the pendulum swings back under the flag of agility. What can you expect? Early adopters already complain that agile teams optimize themselves locally, reinforce silo thinking, reinvent the wheel and ignore corporate standards. Just a few examples. Nevertheless, agility has undisputed strengths as industrialized, governance-oriented IT. Modeling for digital blends the strengths of both worlds. It is an extremely lightweight analysis and design methodology, which starts with the company goals and decomposes them until implementable services are defined. With this knowledge, you can define work packages that will be put together to form the final solution, and you're getting what you require both on an enterprise and project level. With well-defined work packages in mind, you can find or build up the needed agile teams. And from the first day on, you've clarity on the scope and responsibilities of the teams. And you have measurable objectives. Furthermore, you can identify and manage dependencies. And by the way, the size of the work packages is still large enough that the added value of the agile methods is enormous. Modeling for digital has various benefits, and it is compatible with any flavor of agility. It comprises a lightweight methodology, ready-to-use trainings, a simple meta model, and convincing tool support. With modeling for digital, strengthening your Agile organization is a matter of weeks. You find more information on our YouTube channel and on the training portal.